Hey everybody, Lady Cheryl here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I hope you'll like and learn something in this video and that you will subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you will know when my videos first come out. It's July 16th, Wednesday, and I want to show you the progress of my tomato seedlings that I'm growing to put outside the last of August, 1st of September. And you can see they are getting their second set of leaves. Most of them are. And it is perfectly dry at the surface of the soil because I don't water at the top. I water from the bottom. I just put a little water, about 1/4 of an inch in the bottom of the pan, and let it wick its way up. And the reason we do that, guys, I've said it before, I'll say it again, is to keep down fungus and fungus gnats, and also to create strong roots at the bottom of the seedling. It's July 17th, early in the morning. I just turned my lights on. I'm gonna take these out and let you see that they're getting their second set of leaves. The ones that have received their second set of leaves, I'm going to pot up. I want to make sure the soil is thoroughly dry, or it'll be easy for me to prick them out and put them in solo cups with potting mix. It's Friday, July 18th, and you can see a tremendous difference from yesterday in these tomato seedlings. The first three right here are the celebrity tomato seedlings. They are heat tolerant. They are determinate, meaning that they will produce all of the tomatoes around the same time. And this is a more compact plant, but I have noticed from my experience of growing them that they're pretty hardy. They can tolerate, like I said, a lot of heat, and they're not wimpy. Now, the wimpiest of the three varieties that I'm growing is right here, the beefsteak. Now, check this out, guys. Of course, you know these were all planted on the same day. This one is the weakest link, and I've just noticed from growing beefsteaks that they can be a little temperamental. They'll be real lanky when they grow taller. But the aromas, these three right here, those are the most hardiest out of all of the tomatoes. I'm going to plant these up today. I'm going to bring the soil all the way up here because it has the ability to grow roots all along the stems. Now, I don't think I'm going to show you how I'm putting them in the solo cups. I will refer you back to videos. I have a whole playlist that shares with you how I grow the plants from seeds, how I pot them up, and each time when I put them in a bigger pot. So I don't know, I've been doing this a long time, guys. I don't want to be redundant. This is what my seedlings look like after I potted them up. You can see I have 3 celebrity and 3 Romas and 3 beefsteak. This is the wimpy beefsteak. It was always slower to grow than the rest of them. Hopefully it'll catch up. I want you to know that I just put a few holes around the bottom of the cups, and then I will water them from the bottom at all times. I put a little water on the top, and then I topped it off with dry potting mix just the first time. But after today, they will only get watered from the bottom, and it will wick up the water from the bottom of this container. We put the fans on where we needed them first, basically on the beans, and also around here where we have new seedlings that we just watered, and beans over there, and this oscillating one. This is my favorite fan. I have 2 of those. My children got these for me for my birthday, and they run real nice. I like this one because it rotates. I have both of the fans charging up. It only takes about an hour to charge them up. So this one and this one, I'll come back in an hour and turn them on. I actually could turn them on now because it has 25%. You guys know this is the first time in July that I have been able to grow beans. It may seem like a lot of work for me putting the fans on and shading them, but it's very much worth it. I'm retired, so guys, so I can do this. Brian is harvesting our golden delicious apples today. He's checking the tree to make sure that we didn't leave any on. And see, you got 2 right over there. Okay, so that's a nice amount. Still another one over there? Oh, okay, cool.
Hey everybody, it's me Brian, and today, I was pulling up a cucumber plant for my grandma. I found big ginormous cucumber.
And what else?
These little tiny pickles.
And why were you pulling up the cucumber plant?
Because we're gonna plant some new seeds in the fall.
Can you hold that big one up again, Brian? And the little bitty ones, I'm gonna turn those into little sweet jerkins. Okay, thank you, Brian. I want to say thank you for watching. You know I love you, and God loves you too. Bye now.